Now entering number 16 from San Miguel, Nabua, Camarines Sur, Nabua National High School CAP unit, headed by the Corps Commander and Staff, Cadet Colonel Anselmo Dichoso, Corps Commander, Cadet Major Ace Roldan Legardo, Corps G1, Cadet Major Riza May Alpe, Corps G2, Cadet Major Fletchen Perry Simabayaw, Corps G3, Cadet Major Jessa Velasco, Corps G4, Cadet Major Joy April Lanuzga, Corps G5, Major Heads Leader, Cadet Sergeant Annalyn Engo, Band Leader, Cadet Sergeant Tingo San Juan, Alpha Company Commander, Cadet Captain Nino Angelo Batintola, First Company EXO, Cadet First Lieutenant Leomar Kama, First Platoon Leader, Cadet First Lieutenant Ralph Joshua Raymond Nacario, Second Company Commander, Cadet Captain Carla May Pesigan, Company EXO, Cadet First Lieutenant Nolin Balagay, First Platoon Leader, Cadet First Lieutenant Jeneline Magalona, Second Platoon Leader, Cadet First Lieutenant Mirasol Vilay, School Head, Category 1A, Company Commander, Cadet Captain Jesseline Castor, Company EXO, Cadet First Lieutenant April Joy Cerillo, First Platoon Leader, Cadet First Lieutenant Patrick Rabusa, Second Platoon Leader, Cadet First Lieutenant Ala Aguila, School Head, Mr. Ben Praxides Saluna, CAT Facilitator, Mr. Ray Matubis Tolentino, DBC Trainer, Engineer Renato Cernande, Major Trainers, Ms. Eunice Oida, and Mrs. Delia Godowon. Ladies and gentlemen, entry number 16, Nabua National High School CAP Unit, San Miguel, Nabua, Camarines Sur.
We would like to acknowledge the presence of the campus administrator of Sigisua, Calabanga, Dr. Alvin S. Bruno. Volunteers, Oswald Graduate Eagle Club, Tabalikat Civico, Tabalikat Civicum Global, TM Incorporated, Tabalikat People, New York Partido, New York Speed, Naga City Health Office, and Stables.
Entry number 16, Nabua National High School. Next contingent, entry number 17, San Rafael National High School, Tigaon, Camarines Sur, headed by their Corps Commander and Staff, Cadet Captain Durante Jovan, Corps Commander, Cadet First Lieutenant Reyes Enrique, S1 Adjutant, Cadet First Lieutenant Arejola Jason, S2 Intel Officer, Cadet First Lieutenant Pan Gerald, S3 Training Officer, Cadet First Lieutenant Panuelos Lorige, S4 Logistic Officer, Cadet First Lieutenant Moreno Berreal, S5 Supply Officer, Major Leader Mendoza Ivy, BBC Leader Copilia Edgardo Jr., First Company Commander, Cadet First Lieutenant Babi